Hi students, welcome to Easy Chemistry by Patan, and today we are going to discuss another electrophilic substitution reactions of amines, that is nitration of aniline. Nitration of aniline. In last class we learned that bromination, electrophilic substitution, bromination, and it is very similar to bromination. Nitration is similar to bromination. So here we are making reaction aniline with nitration mixture. Nitration mixture. Aniline react with nitration mixture. Nitration mixture. When aniline is react with nitration mixture, it gives respective nitro derivatives. Nitro derivatives. What you are getting? Nitro derivatives. This is very important. And previously theory question asked directly. When aniline react with nitration mixture, the product gives, they give an option, nitro derivatives. So nitro derivatives you have to remember. What is meant by nitration mixture means concentric HNO3 plus concentric H2SO4 mixture we are calling nitration mixture. Nitration mixture. Remember, concentric HNO3, concentric H2SO4 mixture is called nitration mixture. So nitration mixture react with aniline gives nitro derivatives. Such reaction we are calling nitration of aniline. Nitration of aniline. And here one important thing you have to remember, HNO3 H2SO4 mixture, that is nitration mixture, H2SO4 will not take part in the reaction. This is only act as dehydrating agent. Only HNO3 take part in the reaction. Take part in the reaction. And H2SO4 just you are acting as dehydrating agent. Dehydrating agent. Clear? Dehydrating agent means any water molecule evolved, that is released, that will be help to remove that. Clear? And here what type of products you are getting means, the product you are getting, that is means direct nitration. Direct nitration gives what type of product means terioxidative product. What is the product? Terioxidative or oxidation products. Means it is electrophilic substitution and oxidation also you are getting. Terioxidative product. Terioxidative product. Clear? And this is the reaction takes place in acid medium. Acid medium. This reaction takes place in acid medium. Already we are taking HNO3 H2SO4 na, that's why. And let me go for that here. Example I am taking. When aminobenzene or aniline react with nitration mixture HNO3 plus H2SO4, you are getting tertiary oxidative product. Means ortho product para product and meta product. So three types of products you are getting: ortho, para and meta. Means this is we are calling tertiary oxidative product. So ortho, para, meta, three positions are substituted. In previous reaction, that is bromination, we learned that when aniline react with bromine water, it gives ortho para products only. 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. To get mono substituted, we did acylation, that is acetylation. Then acetylation gives mono substituted product. When bromine water treated, we got ortho para product. To get mono substituted, we did acetylation. Why acetylation means? NH2 you know very well, very strong ortho para director. But when we treated with acetic anhydride, we'll get NHCOCH3. This is less activative product, that is less activating ring than NH2. That's why we got the mono substituted product. Means here in bromination ortho para product only we got, but here we are getting ortho, para and meta product. Major product is, and this is more yielding. This I am getting 1 and this is 2 and this is 3. Which one yield more means? You are getting para is more than meta than ortho. And this is the order. See, para is highest yielding percentage, next meta, next ortho. Generally ortho para, that is ortho para yielding more, but here meta also getting. Why meta getting means, when this is very important for competitive, aniline treated in the presence of acid medium, it get protonation. When it is get protonation, you are getting anilium ion. What you are getting? Anilium ion. One H plus is added and this you are getting anilium ion. Remember, very important, anilium ion. This anilium ion is meta director. Remember, very important. Anilium ion is meta director. See, NH2 is ortho para director. But due to protonation, anilium ion intermediate forming, that is meta director. That's why you are getting ortho, para, meta products. Here para is more yielding, next meta, next ortho. Ortho is very less yielding in this process. This is you have to remember. Why? Nitration of anilium, that is aniline, gives meta product means when aniline treated with nitration mixture, protonation will be takes place and intermediate anilium ion getting. This anilium ion is meta director. That's why meta product yielding more than ortho. more than ortho. This the theory things you have to remember. But here we got terry-oxidative product means 3. If you want only mono-substituted product, if you want mono-substituted product, then you have to control the reactivity of NH2 group. This is powerful ring activating group and electron donating. So we have to control. To control, what we have to do means, how bromination, in bromination we did same, that is acetylation. What we have to do? Acetylation. Same method. How in bromination we did, same process we have to do here. Acetylation we have to do. Go for here. I am taking aniline, that is aminobenzene. This you are getting NH2. This is treated with CH3, CO twice, O, giving rise to, this is acetylation, acetic anhydride in the presence of pyridine. In bromination also same we did. And you are getting an intermediate. That is NHCOCH3. This is we are calling acetamide. What we are calling? Acetamide. How you are getting this acetamide means, I will show here. Look here. I will explain. This is aniline. NH2. Acetic anhydride. CH3, C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3. This is acetic anhydride. And here bond is going to be break. Clear? This. And this will go for CH3, COOH. CH3COOH. So removal of CH3COOH, giving rise to remaining what we have, NHCOCH3. So this is the product you are getting, NHCOCH3, and this is you are getting. This is we are calling acetanilide. So by removal of CH3COOH, what you are getting? Acetanilide. And this NHCOCH3 group is less ring activating than NH2 because of resonance. So it is subjected to next nitration. This we have to do nitration, means HNO3 plus H2SO4. Nitration we have to do. In nitration, this will give NO2 group. That NO2 group will attack on para position. Next product you are getting para product. So this is acetanilide, NHCOCH3, and this group is resonance stabilized. Then it will suggest the upcoming group to attack at para position. And this is we are calling the product name para nitro acetanilide, para nitro acetanilide. Clear? And this is next we are doing hydrolysis. Means H plus OH minus. If you do the hydrolysis, what happened? Look here. This is para nitro acetanilide. This is subjected to hydrolysis. Go for here OHN, and this CH3COOH will go for with removal of CH3 COOH. This hydrogen attack on this, you are getting here NH2, here NO2, means 4-nitroaniline. 4-nitroaniline. So when hydrolysis, we have to remove CH3 COOH. Now you are getting the product para substituted aniline. That is, we are calling now as 4-nitroaniline. What you are getting? 4-nitroaniline. So NH2 is powerful orthopara activating group. But here NHCO group is also having ring activating capacity. But when compare this, it is less because it is in resonance. I will show that also here, how it will go for in resonance. Go for here, I am taking NH. We have here NH group, clear. How it will go for in resonance, I shown already in bromination reaction I shown, that I will show to you. Okay, here I will show NH, C double bond O and CH3, clear, and it will go for in resonance. What happened? Look here, and this bond is going to be shifted, and this will donate lone pair to this bond. Then you are getting N double bond CO minus CH3. So because of this group resonance stabilized, it will have less capability to activate the ring, but NH2 group having more capability. That's why it will give only monosubstituted, but it will give terioxidative means trioxidative, ortho para meta. Why here meta product getting means, when aniline treated with in acid medium, it will subjected to protonation. Due to protonation, you are getting anilium ion. Anilium ion is meta directed. So in addition to ortho para product, you are getting meta product also in this reaction. This is nitration of aniline or aminobenzene. Very important reaction you are getting. And here, which product yielding more? Para yielding more. Next meta. Next least ortho. So para is more. Next meta, least ortho. That is nitration of aromatic amines. So if you like this concept, please subscribe to my channel, suggest to your friends, and after watching this, please make comment and press like button. Be safe at home. Thank you.